How to transfer Toncoin from Bybit to Tonkeeper wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. First of all, simply start by opening up your Tonkeeper, and what you need to do is to simply click on the receive button. Now once you click on receive, as you can see, receive Toncoin, so you just need to copy your address. Now once you do so, open up your Bybit and sign into your account. Then you just need to go for the assets on the bottom right. Once you are in, click on withdraw and then click on search icon on the top and search for Ton. As you can see, we have the option of Toncoin. So simply paste your address and then make sure that network is selected to Ton. Now as for the tag or memo, in other words destination tag, we don't require it. Otherwise, click on the amount and enter the amount that you want to go with. Click on withdraw on the bottom right and make sure to go with the small amount first of all, like $5 or $10, and once you receive it, then you can proceed further with a larger amount. So hope this helps. This is how you can transfer Toncoin from Bybit to Tonkeeper wallet.